Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. This is a short Qigong routine that you can do when you feel stiff and sore in the upper body, especially the neck and shoulders. Stand up nice and straight, relax your whole body. Bring your hands together and rub gently until they feel warm. Slowly tilt your head to one side and tap the neck muscle. Relax, and then do the same on the other side. Relax the hand down, then from here tap the area where the neck connects the head, and then cover the whole neck. Move down and gently tap the lower part of the neck. Change hands and tap for a few more seconds. Relax the hands down. Now with your right hand, tap the left shoulder. And then repeat the same on the other side. Relax the hands down. From here, begin rotating your wrists in a slow, relaxed manner. Release the tension, and as your wrists begin to relax more and more, notice the sensations inside. Then slowly lift the elbows to about chest level and drop them gently, releasing the muscles and loosening up the joints. Notice how your hands begin to fill up with warmth as you shake off tension. Now, lift your shoulders up and gently let go. Keep your elbows and wrists nice and relaxed. Continue the movement for a few seconds. Relax the hands by the side and take a moment here to observe the tingling sensations in the arms. From here, do a few torso rotations to relax the upper body and let go. Slowly come back to center. Then raise both hands up, fingers pointing forward. Stretch through the fingers all the way from your shoulder blades. Release, bring the hands to the chest and open to the side. Stretch out through the fingers. Release, relax the shoulders, and then raise both hands up and reach up, lengthening the entire body upward. Release and relax the hands down in the center of the body. Repeat one more time. Now extend both arms forward, fingers spread, and press out. Release, bring the hands to the chest again, and open to the side. And come to a cross position. Begin slowly rotating the arms backward 5 times. Change the direction and do another 5 forward. Flex the wrist and raise both hands up again. Press out, lengthening through the spine and the crown of the head. And then release down and relax the whole body. Next, place both hands in front of you. On the inhale, open the hands and turn the palms so the big thumb is pointing backward. Same time, turn your neck and look behind. On the exhale, release the position and come back to center. Do the same on the other side. Repeat 3 times on each side. Relax the hands by the side. Interlock your fingers and raise both hands up. Look out through the fingers, lengthening, opening the front of the body. Release the neck and shoulders and lower the hands down. Do this 3 times. Interlock your fingers and reach up again. This time, turn your palms down as you exhale. Lean forward, following the hands. Keep your back nice and straight. and your neck relaxed. Press down with your hands. Slowly turn your torso to one side and turn your neck to look behind. Release, go to the other side. Slowly come back to center and raise up, lifting with your hands. Turn the palms and press out gently, look up again. Release the neck and shoulders and relax the whole body. Stay here to notice how your body feels, especially the neck, shoulders and upper back. You can shake off your hands. Do a couple of torso twists to let go, loosen up and relax the whole body. Thank you for watching. I hope you feel nice and relaxed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this.